how to use Google Takeout to download your Google account data. When you're logged into your Google account, simply find a link to manage your Google account. And on the left-hand side, you'll have Data and Privacy menu option. If you're using your Android device, this setting will be on a tab. So simply find Data and Privacy Settings. On this page, you'll see a link to download your data. Make sure you're logged in to the Google account that you want to download the data for. Then you can select everything by default, or you can perhaps select individual Google products to download. Okay, so let's select all. On the next screen, you'll have an option to either get Google to send you a link so you can download it manually to your local computer, or you can actually save to Google Drive perhaps. Also, you can export everything all at once, or even schedule your exports. It'll be saved in .zip file by default, but you can change that. File size 2 gig is default, but you may say, you know what, let's go with 50 gig. Okay, so then all you need to do is press on Create Export. This is Google Takeout.